What is a Dowager's hump and how do we treat it? So Dowager's hump means that the person is getting a prominence of this part of their neck right here. And you see this is called a Dowager's hump because it's typically found in older women. And it's a genetic thing. People will often say to me, well, my mother had it, my grandmother had it, and now I have it. It's a way that the body deals with the shape of the back over time. And what happens is the head becomes forward and the back of the spine arches. And so you get that humping area in this part of the spine. How is it treated? It's treated with exercises, but again, we have to qualify what treatment means. Treatment really means to give the person pain control. You're going to get some modest amount of correction, but because it's a structural problem that's taken many years to develop, it's not something that's a quick fix. And no surgeon's going to want to operate such a thing. It's much more a problem cosmetically than anything else, and it can cause neck and shoulder pain. So we're treating it to get the person out of pain. A modest amount of correction is possible. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.